Another great question we get at icrealtime.com is, who invented the security camera? I actually have a theory. The first security camera was a person, Paul Revere. If you think about it, he had a built-in analytic, 1 if by land, 2 if by sea. He saw the British coming, set the alarm off, ran back and told everyone. But if you don't take that too seriously, here's what I did find out. The first security camera was actually invented during World War II in occupied Germany. The Germans needed a stationary camera in order to observe missile launches without getting too close to the fire. That carried over even into America in the 50s and the 60s through a lot of government applications for surveillance cameras. When you get into the 70s and the invention of the VHS, now you enter into a consumer market. In the 90s, digital video recording became popular. And now, even today in 2021, we have artificial intelligence, and we're going to keep going. So in a nutshell, that's who invented the security camera.